Now that our chart is filled in for our first week of school with lots of very nice data, let's personalize it a bit and change the size, the style, and the color of our font. So if you click on a cell and drag upwards to all the cells with text in them, then if we go up here and we choose the size that we'd like, we can choose a color that we'd like. That one's too light. Let's go with something a little darker. All right. And then let's choose the size, color, and our type of font. Let's go with Georgia for today. Okay, now that I've personalized it a bit, it's time to add in a chart to effectively display the data we collected over the first week of school. So, I would simply do this by going up to the Insert tab on our toolbar, and I would click Insert, which would show our drop-down menu, go to Chart, open the chart, and now this is a key point. We need to select the ranges. When selecting the ranges, keep in mind that you always want to include your label. So, for my first range, I'd really like to include my date. So I am going to choose cell A1, colon, through cell A6 as my first range. Now, I'd also like to include the sum of my data. So I'm going to click Add Another Range, and I'm going to click G1 colon to G6. Okay, I'm going to click OK. And here opens up several different charts that I can use for my data. Now, let's check out the different charts. There are several line charts I can use, and if you look, you can preview. Oh, this bar graph looks good. I can tell exactly where my data lies and what days he achieved his goal, what day he was close, and what day he did not achieve his goal at all. That one is a good one. Let's check out the Customize. All right, so it says give our chart a title. So let's use On Task Behavior Chart. Our label for our vertical axis would be points earned. Our title for our horizontal plane would be date. Okay, so we've added our labels, we have our title, and we have our data represented in a chart. And here is our chart, which we can move to fit in any spot. There we are.